Guys, welcome back to Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are making healthy chocolate chip cookies. Okay, if you love chocolate chip cookies and you want it healthier, come along with me and let's do this. If you're new here, you are welcome. If an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Just look at that, soft inside and really crispy on the outside. All right, so I have my almond flour and then I add some baking soda and salt. Okay, I'll put all the measurements in the description box for you. You mix it really nicely so that it's well incorporated. So for sugar, I am using honey. You can use maple syrup if you prefer. I love using honey. Okay, so I have my honey in my bowl and then I'm adding some coconut oil. Okay, yes, I love coconut oil because it gives it lots more flavor, guys. And then I add some vanilla extract as well, and also I'm adding an egg as well. As you know, I'll put all of these ingredients in the description box for you. Mix it really well. Okay, so you have your dry ingredients and you have your wet ingredients, as easy as that. And then you put them together. Yes, our cookie is just done. Smells amazing. I tell you, try this and I know that you are going to thank me later. Okay, mix it really well and then yeah, we are good to go. So guys, I'm using dark chocolate chips. Okay, you can use milk chocolate chips if you prefer, but I think we are going for a healthier option. Let's use dark chocolate chips. It tastes amazing, guys. It tastes really good, so use it and you are going to love it. Mix it really well and then yes, we put it into the fridge for about 30 minutes for it to firm up, and then we can just bake them. So it's all done. I take it out of the fridge and then I have my tray with my parchment paper and then I put my cookie dough onto the tray, as you can see here. All right, so come along with me. Right guys, as you can see, it's all done. Put it into the oven at 175 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes until nice and golden. Guys, it's amazing. Try this recipe and I tell you, are going to love it. It's all done. I've taken it out of the oven. Yeah, I've cooled it already and I tell you, it smells good, it tastes good, it's healthy. Guys, you are going to love this. So try this recipe and I tell you, you won't regret it. It's amazing. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching and may God richly bless you. Bye.